If you go online today, it will be very easy for you to notice a trend. A lot of the Intel Core i5, Core i7, 3rd Gen Office PCs have all been turned to gaming PCs. As a matter of fact, the Intel 4th Gen, 5th Gen, 6th Gen, 7th Gen, 8th Gen Core i5 and Core i7 Office PCs have actually been turned into gaming PCs. Kind of sad. I'm also guilty of this. I've actually tried turning some of these Office PCs to gaming PCs in the past. So I'm not going to exonerate myself from this trend. As a matter of fact, I've made countless videos of me forcing ordinarily Office PCs to become gaming PCs. But today, while searching on YouTube, which I'm always in the habit of doing, I came across this PC right here. You see, this PC has not been infected with this trend. I searched through the whole of YouTube and I didn't actually find anyone trying to turn this PC into a gaming PC. See, don't get it wrong. It's not because you cannot actually turn this PC into a gaming PC. As a matter of fact, we're going to be taking a look at the inside of this PC. We're going to see why people have just stayed clear from this particular PC here. I was shocked to realize that, look, in spite of all the beautiful things that is on this PC, everybody has pretty much stayed clear. Nobody has tried to manipulate this PC as to do what it can naturally do, which is if you want to play game on this PC, you can pretty much do it because of what this PC carries. But then we're going to open this PC and at the end of the day, I'm going to be explaining to you why this PC has not caught the radar of those people, including myself, specialized in turning Office PCs into gaming PCs. You see, if you take a look at this PC right here, everything is dusted up, all right? Even though this PC is all dusted up, but doesn't remove the fact that this is an excellently used Office PC. Not all PCs qualify to be called refurbished PCs. This PC right here, even though it's been used, this PC looks exactly like it has not been touched at all. As a matter of fact, I still do have the carton. I'm just going to show you. There's no need talking about this. Just going to show you that, look, I still do have the carton on which this PC was shipped, but I don't need this. And this is not the theme of our discussion today. Like I was saying, this PC looks excellently in very clean condition, but I'm still going to go ahead and clean it. You see, this is the Dell Optiplex 5080 Tower PC. Beautiful PC. Excellently built PC. On this PC is an Intel 10th Gen Core i5 processor, and that brings me to exactly the reason why a lot of people have stayed clear from this PC. Like I said, it's not because this PC cannot deliver all you want. As a matter of fact, on this PC, we have 4 DDR4 slots right here, like you can see, even though I only have 1 populated right now. And right here, you can actually go ahead and slap in a graphic card as to enable you do whatever you want to do. I have a graphic card here, but like you all know, this is a low-grade graphic card. I'm just going to pop it up because I do not have any business having this on a beautiful PC like this. I'm going to go ahead and install a better graphic card on this PC. Take a look at the front of this PC. You can actually see that you've got pretty decent ports right here. You've got USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, USB-C port right there. So you don't have any business always struggling to go to the back of your computer just because you want to get something connected. But I think that's not enough. Behind the PC, you also have 2 display ports right here. You have additional USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, and a LAN port right here. You see, this PC has a very good 200 watts power supply, strong enough for you if you decide to go ahead and slap in a dedicated NVIDIA graphic card on this machine right here. But then, that is not the issue. The issue we came for today is that this PC, instead of all these beautiful things, nobody's actually using it right now to try to game on it. And the reason is not far-fetched. The reason is that this PC is still very much in use in some of the big organizations. If you go to the big hospitals, you're going to find this PC there. If you go to the big oil and gas companies, you are going to find this PC there. If you go to the big engineering firms, you are definitely going to find this PC here. And because they are still very much in operation in these big companies, in these big government establishments, this PC has not actually found its way to the secondary market. And because it has not found its way to the secondary market, you do not see it among these tech YouTubers trying to turn every Office PC into a gaming PC. And as a matter of fact, because this PC has a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, it's not as cheap as the other PCs that everyone has actually tried to turn into a gaming PC. They are still a little bit expensive, and not only that they are expensive, they are actually hard to get because it takes quite some time for these PCs to actually come out from the big organizations and come to the secondary market where everybody can actually go ahead and buy it for cheap. But the good news is that this is a new year and we are beginning to see these PCs come out of these organizations. The big companies are actually trying now to retire this PC, not because the PC is already defective, but because, yes, after 2 or 3 years, these big boy companies, they have this character of retiring their computers, their monitors, their laptops, and sending them to the secondary market where you can actually go ahead and buy them for responsible shops like the Hardwaremoney shop on eBay or Amazon, and the list goes on and on and on. All right. So these PCs are beginning to come out, and because they're beginning to come out, not everybody can actually lay their hands on these PCs. I was fortunate to be able to find this PC, and I am ready to pass this fortune on to you on the Hardwaremoney shop. If you go onto the Hardwaremoney shop, you can actually get to buy this PC just like it is. You see, now that these PCs are beginning to come out, any moment from now, you're going to be seeing instances where everybody wants to turn this PC into a gaming PC. People want to do a benchmark. People want to test it and see what this PC can do. I can actually tell you for free that this PC, the way it is, can actually deliver speed, can deliver efficiency. It's going to be able to handle any kind of office tasks that you throw at it because, like I said, the processor right there is a solid processor. It's been tested for speed. It's been tested for multitasking. It's been tested for quality. And because of that, it will be able to deliver you that which you desire. If you desire a PC that will work tirelessly for you day and night, this is exactly the PC that you want to take a look at. Like I said, this is not easy to come by because, first of all, they're a little bit expensive. Just a few of this PC has been retired to the secondary market. It's going to take quite a while for this PC to become like the Dell Optiplex 9020, the Dell Optiplex 7020 that you can pretty much lay your hands on for $50, for $30. Yes, even for $20, you can actually find those PCs. But for this PC, I'm sorry to disappoint you. There is no way you can actually get a decent PC like this for a very, very cheap price. But then on Hardwaremoney shop, you have the rare opportunity to lay your hands on one of these beautifully built PC. Yes, of course, a lot of people might be trying to log onto the Hardwaremoney shop right now just to get a feel of this PC, to buy it off. So if you come there late, I'm so sorry, you might not be able to get your feet on the door because it's going to be sold off. It's going to take quite a long time for devices like this to flood the secondary market. I do not see it happening in the next 1 year. It might still take quite a long while, but if you want to already enjoy the power that this PC brings, you want to enjoy the quality that you can get from getting a decent Dell Optiplex 5080 PC like this, you want to be quick about it. You want to go into the Hardwaremoney shop and get yourself one of these beautiful devices right here. It's not got an SSD drive. As a matter of fact, there's a free M.2 PCIe slot right there. I'm going to go ahead and install an NVMe SSD right there. And if you say, yes, you want a PC that can actually have a wireless LAN connectivity, this PC have it because there's a PCIe slot right there that you can actually go ahead and slot in a wireless LAN adapter. Like I said to you, this PC is loaded. There is no reason not to consider a PC like this. There's a loudspeaker just right there. And if you still belong to the old school that says, no, I need a PC that must have a DVD drive, you also have it installed right there. In this day and age, because nobody tends to use DVD drive anymore, a lot of manufacturers in an attempt to save costs have just excluded that from recent designs. But you are still going to be fortunate to be able to get a PC that still has a DVD writer in 2025. I'm going to go ahead and claim this PC because I'm pretty much sure that one of you right there looking at me is going to be lucky to still get this PC off of the Hardwaremoney shop. And because of that, I'm going to make sure that the PC is in the best condition possible. Like I said, not every used PC is actually qualified to be called a used PC. But then if you go onto the Hardwaremoney shop, you're going to be getting something that looks like this. There's absolutely no scratch right here, top of it, at the sides, everything looks clean. You might be looking at this now because the camera is so close to me. You think that this is a scratch. This is not a scratch. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Luckily, I have a solution to things like that. I've got my magic cleaner that I can easily just put right there. And in a matter of seconds, stuffs like this, they are gone and they are gone forever. Like I promised you, I'm going to be telling you exactly what is contained in this magic cleaner so that you too can get the benefit of turning your old used PC into a pretty much new PC that will make you happy, PC that you can actually put on your desk and you will not be shy about it. I'm going to definitely make time out to make that video. Just that in the last few times, I keep getting a lot of things that tend to delay the making of this video, but I can tell you that I'm definitely going to find time to make it. Now take a look at this PC, a PC that was once dusted. Everything looks super crisp, everything looks super clean, and you pretty much cannot tell that this PC has actually been used. You want to take advantage of this, go to the link in the description below, click on it, and you will have the opportunity of buying one of these off of the Hardware Money shop. Until I see you again in the next video, peace.